Ngipiang sabay pi borok siya kanika channel kajengi bat ngi kermen ba borok pia site pia klanlon. Siya bangin sedang ya kanika video ngi skwa ban pentip ba dangshan hi ngi lap ba ka YouTube kam ju da ai notification tan show iki subscribers jang kanika channel. Tigi duna ba gi video ki ba yo jing tip syapang kini video kam ki bangi upload ha kanika channel. Tingi kerpat pi borok ba pin follow ru ya ka Instagram account kajengi. Krang ba pin numdu iki videos ki bang upload. Namar hapo Instagram ngi pentip ba man kapor ladang ngil adap ban upload video hapo YouTube. Tila da jaba ka YouTube kam ai notification nya pi napo Instagram pat pila UI ba ngila ai jing tip. Di pila ban wan hi biang sapok ke YouTube channel ke jungi bat pila ban pe iki video. Te mentapan ngin pe no iki niki post ke berang shalat thamai hapo Meghalaya. Ka office jong ka Director of Health Services Medical Education and Research. Ka pala iki niki post mentau benai arajar opsan. Ikuteng jong niki post ke longkom ne. Librarian, Assistant Librarian, Library Assistant, but library attendant. Kelas date lain katarik bakat do berpilaban sama iki applications. Leho apsau tarik benai April arajar opsan. Ka walk in interview kan deh ka apropra bar apkanai tarik benai April arajar opsan. Ka post librarian ka like away ka age limit lain ka kerta ka behedo gede 100%. Ka salary lain ka tulop gede 100% jar ka benai. Ka educational qualification kalau kumne. Ladi ben pendap ya ka master's degree ka library science, lani library and information science, nak recognized university lani institute. Pidon kam kumba minimum khatsan senam professional experience haka library under central lani state, lani autonomous, lani statutory organization, PSU, university, lani recognized research, lani educational institution. Ka post assistant librarian ka like away ka age limit ka 100 post nam, ka salary lani ka tulap ka 100 rakshibnai. Educational qualification kalau kumne. Pila dia ben pendap ya ka master's degree haka library science lani library and information science nak recognized university lani institute. Pidon kam kumba minimum post nam professional experience haka library under central lani state lani autonomous lani statutory organization PSU university lani recognized research lani educational institution. Pidiru bandang ban pidon kam ya ka computer badru bantrai ya ki office applications manchna spreadsheets badru ki presentations. Ka post library assistant kalai atali ka age limit lene ka kerta ka behedo kadai sapusan senam. Ka salary lene ka tulop kadai sapo jarak shibnai. Ka educational qualification kalau kumne. Tadi ben pendap ya ka bachelor's degree ka library science lene library and information science ka recognized institution lene university. Pidiru bandang ban pendon kam ya ka computer badru bantrai ya ki office applications manchna spreadsheets badru ki presentations. Ka post library attendant kalai kawai baka age limit lene kerta ka behedo kadai suppose nam. Ka salary lene ka tulop kadai apsan jarak shibnai. Ka educational qualification kalau kumne. Peladi ben pass ya ka class 10 ba ya ka class 12. Ki candidates ki belong eligible ba ka buka ban apply gini ki post pila ban submit directly ya ka resume lene ka standard application form badru ki self attested copies jong ki documents bat ki qualification certificate proof of address syakane ka address. The Office of the Director of Health Services Medical Education and Research, DME, Laumali, Pasture Hills, Shillong, Meghalaya. Ki candidates ki habban self-attest hi ki copies jong ki certificates, proof of age, educational qualifications, bat ki experience certificates. Bat hajong jong ka envelope hi diban thaw ikini ki contain application for the position of hadin sa pendap ya ka kerteng jong ka post ka bapi apply.